So good morning. I'm going to show you how I can wait to see which bird is heavier than my other bird. So I would like to know from my birds which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest. Because yesterday we were feeling if the birds were heavier or lighter. So for example, I think this one is maybe the same weight as my other, but I am not so 100% sure. So it feels nearly the same, but I have the feeling that this one is just a little bit more heavy, but I don't know sure. So today I'm going to show you how I can find it out which one is heavier or lighter than the other one. So I have my own little beam balance. So I made two cups which are exactly on the same size of string, and then I hold here with my thumb, and then I can see if everything is if it is the same on both sides, so if it is equal. So I'm gonna start with my big one because we're all very curious, like how heavy is this big one or how light is this one. So I'm gonna put it in my cup, and then on the other side I'm gonna put my other out, and then I gently take it up first, so I make sure that nothing falls out. So let me see, a little bit more here. Yeah, so I take it up, then I put it on my thumb, and then, so what do we see? I see that my cup on this side is just a little bit lower than this one. But if you look at my balance, it looks actually completely equal. So we were maybe right. Yesterday we were thinking that they were having the same weight. So there's not much difference, but this one is just slightly heavier than the big one. Then we have my ceramic bird and my little lacquer bird. Let's see what is happening here. So, oh yeah, this is very clear. So my ceramic bird is down, so that means it's very heavy. And then my little lacquer bird is all the way up, so this one is lighter. So my little bird is lighter than my ceramic bird. So this one is lighter, this one is heavier. And let's see, we had this very little one here, little metal one. I put it in this side, and I can put the other light one in the other side. And let's see. Oh yeah, we were right yesterday. They are actually kind of the same. Is there a little slight difference in the cups? Yeah, so this cup is a little bit lower, so this one is just a little bit heavier than my little bird. So now we have to see if this one is still lighter than my big owl. Let me see if that works. Ooh. Yeah, you see. So my big owl is heavier than my ceramic bird. So this one is lower, you see, it's much lower than here. So you see, it is heavier. So my big owl is heavier than my little ceramic bird. So if I want to rearrange it, I come to the conclusion that my little owl is just a little bit heavier than this one, and this one is just a little bit more heavier than this one, and the little baby, and of course my little metal one is the last one. So you see, heaviest, lightest.